Good morning, children. Shubh Prabhat. I am P.L. Misro. On behalf of Education for You, going to discuss about voice and its parts, that is transitive sentences with one more object. First of all, I am reading it and pronouncing it, and hope you all keep your attention and write it down accordingly. Let's come here. Active voice. I gave Mona Lisa a pen. Passive voice. Mona Lisa was given a pen by me. Passive. A pen was given to Mona Lisa by me. Second one, active voice. She will tell us a story. Passive voice. A story shall be told by her. Then the active voice. She gave me a glass of water. Passive voice. A glass of water was given me by him. Passive voice. I was given a glass of water. Number 4. Someone. Active voice. Someone gave her a ticket. Passive voice. She was given a ticket. Passive voice. A ticket was given to her. Let's come and discuss here transitive sentences. What is transitive? I have told you, in transitive sentence means the verb is also transitive. That's why the sentence are in transitive. Transitive sentence told you what transitive. In transitive sentence, a verb needs object. Verb needs object, though it is acted here, but it needs object. Without object, then it will be, it can't express complete sense, complete meaning. For example, about your transitive sentence, I gave Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa is here object. So gave also satisfied here after having Mona Lisa. If I will take Mona Lisa out of this sentence, if I will tell you like this way, I gave, it is also sense. The sentence indicates the sense, but it does not indicate the complete sense. That means I gave. It is intransitive sentence. I gave intransitive sentence, but I gave Mona Lisa. It is transitive sentence, where we use what and whom. If the answer will come satisfactory, then it will be proved as transitive. I put here who. I give Mona Lisa. Who gave Mona? Who gave? Who gave? Whom gave? So Mona Lisa will come here. Whom gave the Mona Lisa to whom? Mona Lisa will come here. That is why it is completely transitive sentence. Next one. Here is also, I hear this sentence based upon one more object. One more object. What one more object? I gave Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa is here object. If I will put here full stop, then it will be a complete sentence. I gave Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa is here object. The next one is pen. Pen is also object. Mona Lisa and a pen. Here one more object. Two objects are here. Look at here. Second one. She will tell us a story. She will tell us a story. Two objects. Here us is object and a story is a object. Two objects are here. Then third one, she gave me a glass of water. She gave me is here object and a glass of water is a object. Two objects we found here. The next one is, let us come here, active voice. Someone gave her a ticket. Object is her and another object one is a ticket. What you felt here? We felt in this sentence, all this given sentence, two more objects are available here, and the sentence is complete form. The verb express is complete action. Here is the gave here express complete action. Gave is transitive verb. That's why the sentence becomes transitive. I gave Mona Lisa a pen. Let's come here to discuss about passive. How it will be changed into passive. Where we feel both objects are there. How it will be written. Look at here. I am going to here. I gave Mona Lisa. Stop there. Don't go towards a pen. I gave Mona Lisa according to formula. You recall formula. Indefinite, past indefinite. The helping verb will be was, were, and the verb will be past participle. That's why Mona Lisa was given. Mona Lisa was given. I gave Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa was given. Pen is there. You write there pen, and I is there here. That means the complementary subject of I, that is me. Here will be me. That means Mona Lisa was given a pen by me. The second one, let's come here. Given was Mona Lisa. First object has completed here. Let's come to second object, a pen. You take here a pen. A pen was given. Past indefinite passive form. Went was gone. Did was done. Played was played. Like this way, here second object taken here, that is a pen. A pen was given to Mona Lisa by me. Let's come here. Second one is, she will tell us a story. Come here. She will tell us and remain here. Don't go forward. She will tell us here story. Two objects we found here, us and a story. Now we have to discuss about first object, that is us. It will be taken. The us complementary subject of us, or us is the pronoun of she, pronoun of we. That's why the complementary subject of us, we, will be taken here. That means us will be we shall. Here is, you recall your mind, will, present, past, future, indefinite. I will eat rice. Rice will be eaten. that is helping verb of imperfect will be, shall be. That's why she will tell us, us will be we, and here will be shall be. We shall be told. She will tell us, we shall be told. Then a story by her. Then next come to second object, that is a story. Let's come here. You have to take second object, first of the sentence. A story will be told to her by me. A story will be told to her by me. Let's come here. Third one. She gave me a glass of water. We found here two objects, me and a glass of water. First of all, I have to deal me as complementary subject, or this one complementary subject of me, that is I. She gave me, that means I was given a glass of water. Then let's come here, second object, that is a glass of water. It will be taken first. A glass of water was given me by him. A glass of water was given me by him. Then let's come second one, that is active voice. Someone gave her a ticket. Here also we found two objects. First one is her and second one is a ticket. I have to deal first one, that is her, the complementary subject of her, that is she, and here is indefinite, past indefinite. Remember or recall your formula. I gave him, helping verb was where, full verb, past participle, he was given. I gave him, he was given. That means here someone gave her a ticket. If her is here, the complementary subject of her, that is she, here will be indefinite, here will be she was given. She was given a ticket. But someone else is here, don't need to write here someone. You can remain this sentence like this way. I have already told you, no need to express by somebody else, by anybody else, because if you will not express, automatically the sentence will be expressed itself that someone else is behind it. Then next, come to here, second object is here, a ticket. A ticket will be taken first of the sentence. A ticket was given to her. A ticket was given to her. Don't write here by someone else. You only express this one. A ticket was given to her. All these are the transitive sentences, because transitive sentences here, object is here and the verb expressed meaningful sense. Here the verb expressed meaningful sense and the verb is here in a complete sense. All these are called transitive sentences. Let's come some more about intransitive. You may confuse what intransitive. Whenever next chapter I'll discuss about intransitive verb, there briefly I'll discuss about it. Still you write it down and keep it in your mind for reference, that some fixed intransitive verbs are there. they will remain in same position. It does not need any object, and if you provide an object, it can't be expressed with complete sense, such as live, die, laugh, cry, run, sleep, sit, and stand. All these are the fixed intransitive verb. For example, live. I am telling you something about it for your reference. I live. Then what I live? If question can answer, there is no answer. What I live? But here, live happily. I live happily. If I will put there happily, then it will never be the transitive verb. It will be intransitive. Why? Happily. Happily is adverb. Die. I die. I laugh. I cry. I run fast. Fast is adverb. It requires adverb. Sleep. I sleep. Sit. I sit comfortably. Adverb. Stand. I stand here politely. It needs here the fixed intransitive verb needs adverb. He went there. He went there. There is not object. Where is place? Verb, place of adverb. So, in my separate class about transitive and intransitive, I will express all these. This is all about my teaching. I hope if anyone likes my teaching, they will subscribe and share their friends and relatives. Thank you.